Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Suture materials. So they are widely classified into the absorbing and also the non-absorbing. So what is meant by absorbing? Absorbing means it absorbs in tissues, and this is mainly due to the enzymatic digestion as well as the phagocytosis. Next is there is natural agents. So natural, it includes the catgut as well as the chromic catgut. So what are the synthetic absorbable sutures? The synthetic absorbable sutures, it includes the PVD. P is for the polyglycapron, and V is for the vicryl, and then the D is for the dexon. So polyglycapron, then there is a monoacryl polydiaxanon. Next is there is a vicryl, that is a polyglactin. Vicryl is nothing but the polyglactin. Next comes the dexon, that is the polyglycolic acid. So dexon is the polyglycolic acid. Now let's look at the non-absorbable. So under non-absorbable, there is what is meant by this? It persists in the tissues with indefinite period of time. So natural, it includes the silk as well as the linen. So synthetic, the mnemonic here, non-absorbable, is going to be PEN. So PEN, P stands for the proline and polyester. So in absorbable, it was a polyglycapron. Here it is the proline and the polyester. Then E for the ethylene, and N is nothing but for the nylon. Next is based on the number of strands. So based on the number of strands, it includes the monofilament and the polyfilament. So monofilament means there's a single strand of fiber. It is smooth as well as it is strong. There is less chance of the bacterial infection. There's decreased bacterial infection. And the knots are tied, it becomes loose. So knots tied, it may become loose. The example is the PEN, that is the proline, ethylene and the nylon. So all the non-absorbable materials, monofilament, that is the proline, ethylene and the nylon. Then we move on to the polyfilament. So here in the polyfilament, it is nothing but the multiple strands are braided together. So it is a multiple strands. They are braided together, it is easier to handle. So it is easy to handle. The knots are stable. Next is there is more risk of infection due to the lodging of bacteria in the crevices. So is infection due to the lodging of bacteria in the crevices. So the example for polyfilament, it includes slip, mnemonic slip. So P is for the polyglycolic acid. L is for the silk. Then L is for the linen. S is silk, L is linen, and P is for the polyglycolic acid. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.